All right, I have a personal break for Gordon. He has two 2020 Upper Deck Artifacts Hockey Hobby Box. Let's jump into it. All right, let's start off with a Henrik Lundqvist out of 45. Artemi Panarin out of 499. Tyler Toffoli out of 499. Here's our first relic, Artifacts, double patch, out of 25, James Van Riemsdyk. There's a little tiny sliver of orange down here. You can't really see it on camera, so that's technically a 3-color patch. Pretty sweet. Kiefer Bellows, rookie, out of 9.99. Bowen Byram, Artifacts Aurum. Rookie Redemption for the Vancouver Canucks. Threads of Time, Ryan O'Reilly. There's O'Reilly in a Sabres jersey back when he lost his passion for hockey. Great times, right? Great times. Last pack of the first box. Nico Hischier, dual patch out of 99, former first overall pick. Oh my. All right, box number 2. Mantha out of 99. I see a rookie in here. Peyton Krebs, rookie out of 9.99. Sebastian Aho out of 4.99. Cale Makar out of 4.99. All right, I'll make sure I get that order soon. For Brian, no problem. Mitch Marner. Auto dual patch out of 45. That's a sweet hit. All right. Colorado Avalanche, rookie redemption. Tuukka Rask out of 175, dual patch. And here's our final pack for Gordon. Bowen Byram out of 5.99, dual patch rookie. There you have it, Gordon. Pretty sweet hits throughout. Hope you enjoyed your break.